Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mi Band 7 to an Android phone. First, make sure your Mi Band 7 is fully charged, ideally to 100%, to avoid any interruptions during the setup process. Next, head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device and download either the MyFitness app or the Zepp Life app, depending on your preference. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, as this is crucial for the connection. Now, let's pair your band. Open the chosen app, either MyFitness or Zepp Life, and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's a quick process to create a new one. Once inside, look for the Add Device option, usually found under the Profile tab. Select Mi Band 7 from the list. Your band will then display a pairing request. Simply tap the check mark on its screen to confirm the connection. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup. First, ensure your Mi Band 7 is within a close range, perhaps 1 to 2 feet of your Android phone. If the connection fails, try restarting both your band and your phone. This often resolves minor glitches. If problems continue, clear the app's cache or even reinstall it. As a final step, you can perform a factory reset on your Mi Band 7 through its settings menu, but remember this will erase all data. Once connected, your Mi Band 7 will begin syncing data with your Android phone. Take some time to explore the app settings. You can customize notifications for calls and messages, choose from hundreds of watch faces, and adjust health monitoring features like heart rate and sleep tracking. Remember to keep the app running in the background on your phone to ensure continuous data synchronization and receive real-time updates from your band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.